Welcome back everyone, I'm Fame, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to produce a circular swirl soap at home. In this video I'm making use of two types of oil. I'm using a soft oil and a hard oil. Whenever I'm making swirl soap, I like making use of a soft oil and also a hard oil. So watch and see how I achieved this wonderful design. Over here are my ingredients. So I'm going to be highlighting them one after the other with their measurement. This is my groundnut oil, also known as peanut oil. I'm making use of 600 grams. Then this is my palm kernel oil. I'm using 1000 grams. Then this is the water I'll use to dissolve my caustic soda. I'm making use of 608 grams. Then over here is my caustic soda. I'm making use of 245 grams of caustic soda, which is also known as lye or sodium hydroxide. So I will start by dissolving my caustic in water. When working with caustic soda, make sure you put on your protective hand gloves and your eye goggle. This will make sure that you are safe from any form of harm, because lye or caustic soda is very dangerous. So I'll keep that aside and focus on the color. I'm making use of a pink color and a white color. And this is my fragrance. You can use any fragrance of your choice. This is my sodium silicate. I'm using 150 grams of sodium silicate. I'm going to mix both oils together. I've poured my groundnut oil into my palm kernel oil. The next thing I'll be doing is to warm the oil. Warming of oil helps your soap not to approach a thick trace. It gives you time to work with the soap batter. So if you don't want to see yourself encountering a thick trace, if you want to produce a swirl soap, make sure you use a soft oil and a hard oil, and also make sure you warm your oil. This will help you achieve a good design when producing swirl soap. Do not forget I conduct online classes for those that will be interested in learning how to make soap properly. You can do well by checking the video description. If you have issues or you have problems reaching me through that description or the link, you can chat me up on WhatsApp through this phone number displayed on the screen here. Just drop a message on WhatsApp and you'll be added to the training group. There you will learn a lot. You'll learn how to make soap, the body cream, the shower gel, the organic soap, the liquid soap, the hair shampoo, the hair conditioner, the powder detergent, the bleach, the Dettol. You will learn a lot there from the online class. Don't forget I'm making a swirl soap, so I'm using two colors. I'm making use of the white color and the pink color. So in my first batter, I'm adding the white color. I'm going to stir it properly. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm pouring in my batter one after the other. Make sure I'm pouring it at the middle so that I can achieve a circular swirl. This is very easy to do. It's not actually difficult. You can try this at home and produce colorful and beautiful soaps that your customers will be happy to purchase from you. So after 24 hours, this is the result. Our soap is hard enough to be taken out of the mold. I'm going to take it out of the soap mold and place it on that cutter. If you need this cutter, you can do well by reaching me on WhatsApp. We produce these cutters and we sell them. If you need it, you can reach me on WhatsApp if you need this soap cutter. It's very good. It helps you have equal cut, so you don't end up cutting your soap unequally. This is very affordable. Just chat me up on WhatsApp to purchase this soap cutter. We deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we can ship it or wheel it down to your location. I want to thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share this video with your friends that you think will want to learn more about soap making. And don't forget to drop your questions at the comment section. If you have any question that's been bothering you on soap making, drop your question at the comment section. I'll be there to give you answers to your questions. Don't forget that I conduct online classes. You can do well by reaching me on WhatsApp, or you check the video description to join our class. There you'll learn a lot of skincare formulations and household cleaning products. So once again, thank you all for watching. Goodbye, and see you all next time on my next video. Have a lovely and a wonderful day.